Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about React and React Native. What are these and what's the difference between these two? Then this video is for you. Continue watching this video after a short intro. React. First, let me talk about what is React and what is React.js, then I'll talk later. So you might have heard about React.js. It is created by Facebook, and the purpose of creating this React.js library, it's a JavaScript library for creating the web pages, the web UI. The advantage of React.js is that it creates components, and these components can be reused. With previous to React.js, we can write the code in normal HTML and JavaScript, but it is very repetitive if the similar type of UI components are there. So to solve this problem of repetition of the code plus other problems which other frameworks like Angular and Vue, these frameworks has, Facebook developed React.js. With the React.js, you can divide the whole UI into different components. So there can be header at the top and then body component, and after that at the bottom we can have footer. Apart from these demarcations, we can further divide the UI. In the body section, let's say on the landing page of a website, we can have the hero section, and then we can have the main text. There can be a product description. So the whole UI can be divided into different components, and these components will take some parameters and display the information. So the advantage will be use these components and replicate for creating the web page. Apart from this, there are certain advantages like virtual DOM, efficiency of loading the web pages also exist, but this is the topic of some other video. Let me jump to React Native. So React Native is also a library, but it is used for creating the mobile applications. In the mobile world, there are two types of operating system which are mainly prevailing. First is Android and other is iOS. And these two different operating systems create challenges for creating the mobile application, which is using the same code run on both the platforms, as they are dependent on native libraries of Android or iOS. Both of these platforms, iOS and Android, provide their own libraries to create their mobile application. In the past, some efforts are tried to create some common language in which we can create the mobile application for both platforms, and these were called hybrid environments like Ionic. But there are challenges in terms of performance because there is an extra layer is added between the application and the operating system. So to solve this problem, Facebook has come up with React Native, where we can write code in React.js, which is a componentized library for creating the UI, and internally it will convert the code as per its operating system like Android and iOS. So using one code base, we can create an application which runs on both, because from the development perspective, it is very costly to create the two code bases for the same application and creating the same experience on both. The advantage of React Native is definitely the performance, the same code base, and faster delivery of the applications to the customer. So at last, I just wanted to make a point that to learn the React Native or React.js, you have to first master basic HTML and JavaScript. After that, you can learn ReactJS, which is a library to create the web pages. And in this way, first you learn the how to think in a component way for a web page. Once you start getting the confidence in creating the ReactJS web pages, then you can move to learning for the React Native. And apart from this, there are few cases where you have to write some code which is specific to iOS or Android to make some functionality which is not available in React Native. But those components are very small. So, but if you learn React and React.js, then you can become a very good front-end developer both on web apps and mobile application. So I hope you liked this video and you understood the difference between the React and React Native. And if you have any other question or any other topic which you want to do deep dive, please let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to create the videos on that topic. Thank you. This is BK from Anika, signing off.